In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent header with a first section underneath. This technique is particularly useful for creating a sleek and modern web design, ensuring that your website has a smooth, professional look and feel. Let's dive right in. To start, we're going to focus on making the header transparent. This is a popular design choice because it can really draw attention to the background imagery or color scheme of your site. Click on the header to select it, and then open the Inspector tool. You'll find this under the Design section. Here, you can set the background color of your header and adjust its opacity. If you're aiming for full transparency, simply reduce the opacity to 0. This will allow anything behind the header to be visible, giving a seamless transition from your header to the background. Next, we're moving on to the content of the first section below the header, which is often referred to as the hero section. It's important that this content visually appears right beneath the header. To achieve this alignment, you might need to tweak the spacing or margins of your hero section. Adjusting these elements ensures that there is no awkward gap between your header and the initial content users will see. Remember, the goal is to create a cohesive and visually appealing transition from the top of your page downwards. Now, let's tackle making the header pinned or sticky. This is a clever way to keep your header visible as your site visitors scroll down the page. To do this, go back to your header in the inspector. Look for the header scroll effect options and set the position type to either pinned or sticky. Choosing pinned means the header will remain at the top of the page while scrolling, which can be quite helpful for navigation. However, take note, pinned headers often overlap the following section. You may need to further adjust the spacing to avoid obscuring your content below. If you're interested in adding some dynamic elements, you can apply scroll effects to your header. Head over to the header settings again, where you'll find a variety of scroll effects such as fade out or disappear. Some of these effects come with an overlap next section option. This feature is useful in managing how the header interacts with the section below it. Keep in mind that the overlap function is typically available only when a scroll effect is active. This means if you're setting the header to scroll with site type or are not applying a scroll effect, this option may not be available. That's it. With these adjustments, you've successfully created a transparent header with the hero section neatly positioned underneath. Experiment with these settings to find the perfect balance for your site's design.